Big yawn. Hey Jack, how old are you today? Are you 1 month, 7 days old? Are you 1 month, 7 days old, huh? That's old. You just had lunch at the Headlands, didn't you? Yeah. How was it? You get to watch the seagulls? Seagulls. The seagulls like the chips? Yeah, they did, didn't they? You're all bundled up in your little snowsuit. The Auntie M got you to keep you cuddly warm. Yep, definitely needed in Mendocino in wintertime. Oh, you getting sleepy? Dad's left the car running with the heater on, keep you all nice and toasty warm. Yeah. You're so cute. Say hi, camera. Hi, camera. Hello. Nice if those folks came back so we could go shop and get some crab for dinner, huh? And a movie. What do you think of that? What do you think of that? Oh. Where are they? Daddy, where are you? Leaving me in the suit. In the car. I want to get out of here. This car seat's rather constraining. Why don't you just go to sleep? Hey, Jack. Big yawn. Oh my goodness. Don't fight it. Sleep. In Mendocino. It's the end of November. Jack's first trip into the town of Mendocino. This is the Headlands. Now he's waiting in the car. Patiently. It's okay. Big yawn. Whew. Alright. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, camera. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, camera. Bye-bye. There. Bye-bye. 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 Watch. Watch the eyes move. Getting grown up. Watch the eyes move. Look at you getting so grown up. Watch. Very good. Very good. All right. Ciao.